In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. First sentence is I have nasal congestion. I have nasal congestion. Second sentence is now it is sink or swim. Now it is sink or swim. Third sentence is you should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. Fourth sentence is well, I will leave now. Well, I will leave now. Sentence number 5. You don't deserve to be respected. You don't deserve to be respected.